Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and coming out, of course, of the Pwn2Own Berlin 2026 on day 2. We talked about day 1 in a video. Day 2, Windows 11 was hacked again. Microsoft Edge was hacked also. Many other things were hacked, in terms of systems. But in Windows 11 and Edge, Edge is hacked with a security flaw. But Windows 11 was actually hacked in Sandbox mode. So if you've ever used Sandbox mode, this is where the operating system kind of have like a Windows 11 that is within a window. And this is actually Sandbox, which means that it technically should be isolated from the main computer. And this is why you can use the Sandbox to test things that could be potentially dangerous, because it stays in there. And once you actually shut down the Sandbox mode, well, you're off with, everything's all right, and you can restart Sandbox, which is kind of like reinstalling Windows again. So they actually found several flaws where they were able to actually get out of the Sandbox to infect the main computer that you're using. So they were actually doing a few tests with that and really got the Sandbox to be broken. So there will be some security fixes for sure in the next patch Tuesday that have to do with the Windows 11 security flaws. Of course, there will be Microsoft Edge flaws that will be fixed too. There are going to be more. There's a day 3 that is happening, that there's going to be more tests and more hacks of different operating systems and different systems. And I haven't started the Sandbox in a long time. It took a while to start today. And so this Sandbox is, like I said, a kind of a fresh copy of Windows within Windows, but isolated from the operating system itself. So we'll see what else is going to be hacked. It's going to be interesting to see if anything else is worthy of a video. I know that they are going to try to hack Windows 11 again. And they are going to try and hack into several Linux distros also. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens. So Windows 11, Microsoft Edge hacked at day 2 of the Pwn2Own Berlin 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.